The Quick-Lok Cord Set is a 3-wire cord with a quick connect plug on one end. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. The quick connect can wear out over time, or can be damaged by an electric arc if it is not properly tightened. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the Quick-Lok Cord Set is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old cord from the drill. To remove the cord, I just twist the outer sleeve and then pull the cord away from the tool. Now I can install the new cord. Each of the wires connect to the drill in this triangular piece in the center of the Quick-Lok attachment. You'll notice on one side there's a tab. That tab needs to line up with the notch inside the drill's connector. Once aligned, I push the wires firmly into the drill and then twist the quick connect lock. And the new cord is ready to go. And that's how easy it is to install a new Quick-Lok Cord Set on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.